In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tags on Substack for writing and reading workflows. Let's get started right away by opening Substack in your browser. Once the page loads, look at the left sidebar or the account menu and click on Dashboard. If Substack asks which publication you want to manage, click your publication name to continue. After that, find Posts in the left navigation and click on it. Then click on Drafts to view all the drafts attached to your publication. Now we need to open the sample draft we're going to work with. Look through the list of drafts until you find the one you want to tag. Once you spot it, click the draft to open it in the post editor. With the draft open, we are going to add tags from the post settings. Scroll down to the bottom of the post editor and click on Settings. The Settings panel will appear, so scroll inside it until you reach the Add Tags section. Click into the Tag Input field, then type the first tag, which in this example will be Reading Workflow. Take your time as you type that out, and once you have it entered, press Enter to create or select the tag. Next, we are going to add a second tag. Click back into the same tag field and slowly type Writing Process. This tag will help group posts related to how you write. Once it is fully typed in, press Enter to confirm the tag and add it to the list. Now we will add the third and final tag. Click into the tag field once more and carefully type Research Notes. This one is useful for posts where you are gathering ideas or sources. After you've finished entering it, press Enter to lock the tag in. If a Done button appears in the Settings panel at this point, click Done to save your tag selections. The tags are now attached to the draft, but we still need to set up the tag management area to make them work for readers as well. Look at the top left area of the screen and click the back arrow to return to your publication dashboard. From the dashboard, find Settings in the left navigation and click it. On the Settings page, look at the page navigation and click on Website. Scroll down to the website settings until you reach the Custom Tag section. We are now going to add the main tag page to your reader navigation. Inside Custom Tags, look through the list and find Reading Workflow. Once you locate it, click the three-dot menu shown right next to Reading Workflow. A small menu will pop up, and from that menu, click Add to Navigation Bar. After that, go back to the same row and click the underlined tag URL for Reading Workflow. This will open the public tag page in your browser. Take a moment to confirm that the tag page URL ends with /t/reading-workflow, or a similar tag slug that matches your tag name. Once you have verified the URL, click the Browser Back button to return to the Custom Tags section. The last thing we need to do is check the tag setup for both workflows. Look at the Custom Tags list and confirm that Reading Workflow, Writing Process, and Research Notes all appear in the tag list. Then confirm that Reading Workflow has a navigation option or a tag page URL listed next to it. Finally, confirm that the browser preview you just opened showed a working tag page for Reading Workflow. The sample Substack draft now has 3 tags attached to it, which are Reading Workflow, Writing Process, and Research Notes. The Reading Workflow tag also has a shareable tag page and a navigation entry. So the same label helps you organize your writing internally and gives readers a topic-based way to browse related posts once the tag posts are published. That is how you add tags on Substack for both your writing process and your readers, all from a single setup inside your publication settings